Welcome to the Moment of Inertia Calculator. In this tool, we can calculate the moment of inertia for different cross-sectional shapes. Next to each calculator, you'll also find the key formulas used for that specific shape. Let's start with a simple example, the rectangle. For each shape, the inputs highlighted in blue are editable. When you change these values, the tool automatically calculates the results, including properties like area and moment of inertia. Now, moving to more complex shapes, we have the hollow rectangle, triangle, circle, and hollow circle. Each one includes its own set of inputs based on its geometry. Further down, we also have structural sections commonly used in engineering, such as the I-beam, T-section, C-channel, L-section, semicircle, ellipse, and regular polygon. One of the most important and complex shapes here is the I-beam. We designed this tool to handle even asymmetric cases. So even if the top flange and bottom flange have different dimensions, the calculator will still work correctly. For example, we can define top flange width as 10 and thickness as 3, bottom flange width as 5 and thickness as 2, web height as 30 and thickness as 1. Once we input these values, the tool automatically generates the moment of inertia and related results. The same flexibility applies to the T-section, where symmetry is not required, as well as the C-channel and L-section. This makes the tool very useful for analyzing real-world structural components where ideal symmetry does not always exist. I hope you find this tool useful and practical for your engineering calculations.